Next question over here is tell me some detailed tips to maintain laptop for better UE performance. So, of course, even my laptop sometimes it struggles with when I'm using Unreal Engine and when I'm recording my screen and multiple Chrome also uses a lot of RAM, right? So of course to use Unreal Engine sometimes it becomes laggy and all this stuff, right? So some of the tips that I would recommend you while when you're using uh, Unreal Engine is according to your GPU. So right click first, understand what how many cores it is using. So I'll open this up. So as you can see, my CPU right now is 100%. See, I'm trying to load Unreal project. I'm trying to stream it. I'm screen recording it as well. I'm screen sharing it as well. So all those things uh, take a lot of memory as well over here. And then GPU, of course, when you use Unreal Engine. If you go to the processes, right, in the Unreal editor, first what you can do is um, select the Unreal editor over here, right click over here, go to details panel. So you can set priority to high of Unreal editor. Okay, so that the system will know that I want to use the resources more for Unreal Engine. Okay, so right click over here and set priority high. Okay, make sure you do that. And other important thing, let me open up a simple level, otherwise it will take a lot of time to load it over here. The third person map. So if you are using NVIDIA GPU, I guess most of us are using NVIDIA GPU over here. When you open up this drop down menu over here, you have this NVIDIA settings. Right click over here, we have NVIDIA control panel and NVIDIA GeForce experience. You should always make sure that your drivers are up to date. Go to GeForce experience and over here it will show you which drivers that you are using. If you go to the drivers over here, so I guess 2 3 weeks they give a new update for the game drivers. So make sure that your NVIDIA driver is updated and then you are signed in to your NVIDIA. If you are not signed into NVIDIA, you won't be able to update your drivers. So yeah, this is one important thing to note. Make sure that your drivers are updated, and of course, go to the NVIDIA control panel. I won't recommend you to do anything in the control panel. Just keep it to default. Okay. So this is one bug of Unreal Engine that everyone knows when the level doesn't open up. That means you have to right click on the level first. So these things Unreal are aware of, but then they have fixed in the next updates as well. So let me just end task. I'll just open this up again quickly. So, more things I would want to show you that you need to take care of when you're using Unreal Engine for lower spec PCs. Let me open up a simple level, which was warehouse. Yeah. So of course there is engine scalability settings that helps you to set the textures, the shadows, and everything to low. Next up is, but when you are working with the lighting, right, make sure that you are at least more than medium settings, more than medium, okay, because then you won't be able to understand whether the lighting is proper or not. High settings are best when you are working for lighting. So then you'll ask me if I go to more than medium settings, it starts lagging or everything is just slow. So then there is the display render settings on the left hand side. Wait, I'll just show you when this project opened up. So that thing is also it's called as display render something. You need to reduce the render percent. Okay, let me open up a simple level. go to level. I will right click this first. So first is this engine scalability settings that you will find over here. Next, I was talking about in the viewport, we have the settings on the left hand side corner, right? So just bear with me while this opens up. I will get back to this when this is done loading. All right. So let me get back to this question again. So two questions are remaining. One is the first question and then this question.